Hello again. Now this isn't a particularly retro item. It's getting on for possibly 10 years old now, but it's an item I picked up recently on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll let you know at the end of the video how much I paid for it, and it was pretty good. So this is what I actually got when I went to pick it up. It came in its original box, and inlay bits of card, probably a getting started guide, basic manual, and the PDF for the manual to save on paper is on CD. So just the original information about the warranty, such like, so that came with it. And the bit of cord there didn't come with it, but it's what my daughter made for me. So I've just got that so I can hold the camera fairly safely, because it's a little bit weighty, and it's got a logo on the front here, Quantal Driving Change. So I can only imagine it was something that was either gifted or was purchased, and it was something that belonged to Quantal. Maybe they used it for in-house demos and such like, although it obviously wasn't their product, but it might have been used and then shown on some of their systems, because they would have been developing TV stuff. So as you can see, it's got two optics here, so two lenses and one central flash. It's also got microphone as well, and let's turn it around. It's got a really cool display, which is hard to kind of show on here, but it does give you a real kind of 3D effect, and I just thought that was a pretty cool camera there. And I will let you know now, because you've probably already gone and looked at cameras like this online, so I won't go into any of the detail about its specification. But this particular camera I picked up for the sum of £5, which I think was a bit of a bargain. Let me know in the comments if you think I scored a good one there. I have taken quite a few pictures, and I've got, we did used to have some software and old CRT monitor which allowed me to sort of view some pictures in 3D, although I've gone as far as just doing the standard approach when you have to view without glasses, or on a none-based 3D system, and that is you cross your eyes over. So you cross your eyes over and you can look at the two images, and then you're presented visually with the 3D image. So that's how at the moment I've been viewing my snaps of my family. So I just thought you'd be interested to see that, and I will do some videos in the future, and I'll probably do some videos using this camera in the future as well. Anyway, thank you for taking time to watch this video.